The grass had been cut on a Wednesday, raked on a Thursday, then on the Friday they did the baling, and that's what this video is about. Here's a John Deere tractor with a McHale round baler. The baler scoops up the cut grass, turns it into a cylindrical bale, and drops it out the back. And then the tractor with the front loader comes along, picks up the cylindrical bale, and puts it onto the trailer. And when the trailer is filled up, they hook it up, take it away. So first off, let's have a look at the baler in action. This is at the eastern end of Mitcham Common. In the background there is the trading estate that's recently been built on the Croydon Road, the beginning of Mitcham Road leading towards Croydon. There's one bale already been done, so he's going round in like a circuit. This is his second circuit. And the idea is to drop the next bale as near to the first one as possible to make it easier for the guy with the front loader to pick up. So he goes past it, and then he reverses to it. And then you see the back come up, and the bale drops out. So this view is from the top of the Queen Mother Hill on the Bidders Pond subsite. In the background there you can just make out that chimney tower of the incinerator at Bennington Lane. Here comes the guy with the front loader. He's picked up 2 bales, and these are the first 2 bales to be put on the trailer. I think he just nudges it a bit there. Make sure they're squarely on the back. Off he goes to get some more bales. So there's quite a few bales on the trailer now, but my attention is that single bale on its own. There goes the baler, crisscrossing the line now of the front loader guy. So he's got 2 bales he's going to put on the trailer. Down the end. This view is looking towards Bidders Pond down the side of the hill, and you can see the poplar trees in the background there. So that's looking further to the west towards Mitcham. It's a very good vantage point actually. It's a fallen tree, so I'm sitting on a fallen tree in the shade. Needed it in this really hot day. Baler guy's coming back up the hill. See the cut grass in front of him, and then as he goes past, you see it's all been taken up and put into the baler. Now the guy with the front loader's got 1 bale. What he's going to do now is add it to that one that's on its side. But first off, he needs to upright it. Look at that. And he puts that one down by the side of it, and now he's got 2 to pick up. Speaking to some friends of mine who live in the countryside, they never actually get to see this sort of thing. They've got more farms near them than we have here in southwest London. and yet we get to see this on our doorstep. The Mitcham Common manager does list on the news and events page on the Conservatives website when hay baling is to take place, because they need to close the car park at the ecology centre to allow these large vehicles to get in and out. So the pro tip is pay attention to that news and events webpage on the Conservatives website. I'll put a link in the description. There you go, he's making sure it all fits properly. Just slightly nudge that bale on. This was filmed around about lunchtime. So basically they start at the beginning of the day. What's he doing? He's just nudging the other side. Perhaps he pushed it a bit too far. That's it. Marvellous. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Consider subscribing. Bye for now.